Our top news this week: Blackmagic Design has released official raw footage shot with the new Cinema Camera 6K, which you can download and grade yourself in Resolve. The test footage was shot by US-based cinematographer John Broley, who has extensive experience with Blackmagic cameras. The footage includes a wide range of tests designed to show off the capabilities of the new camera, including dynamic range and low light tests, utilizing various lenses such as Zeiss Supremes, Atlas Anamorphic and Sigma Art lenses. You can download the graded as well as the camera original files from the link below. Also this week, Blackmagic Design announced a new Decklink 8K Pro Mini Capture Card with support for a wide range of formats from SD, HD all the way up to 4K as well as 8K DCI, making it the perfect addition to your high dynamic range and high resolution workflow. Celebrating 40 years of innovation in the camera grip department, Panther announced their new X-Type Dolly at IBC, offering exciting new features, ultimate versatility and substantial weight savings thanks to the removable column. The new X-Type Dolly also offers 360-degree column rotation and a low center of gravity for extra stability. The crab and steer modes offer significant flexibility and extra precision when it comes to movement, while a narrow and wide gauge is also supported, in addition to the ability to add a steer-out extension. The brake stops both track and studio wheels, and the design also accommodates various wheel types and sizes for different terrains and locations, while the range extender provides an extra lift range without compromising the overall size. Innovative lens maker Samyang also debuted two new Cineprimes for their top-of-the-range Meister Cine, the ultra-wide 14mm t2.6 and wide-angle 24mm t1.3 complement the already available 35, 50 and 85mm lenses to complete the set of 5 primes. The new XEEN Meister Cine offer full frame coverage for sensors with a 43mm image circle and a solid metal construction, with a titanium front barrel for extra rigidity, which is always welcomed on set. The lenses also offer a 13-blade aperture for rounded bokeh and ample focus travel distance of 300 degrees. When it comes to lens mounts, cinematographers will have options to choose from such as PL with support for Kokai metadata, Canon EF and Sony E, making them suitable for a wide range of cinema cameras including the Alexa 35, Venice 2 and the new Sony Burano. And speaking of the Burano, our hands-on event at Pinewood Studios next week is almost fully booked. However, there are a few remaining places for which you can register via the link below.